Okay, so here I have a Sony Walkman WM-FX261. It has power. The only problem is that the tape is not working. I mean, the motors are not working. I do hear a static when I connect the earphones, but something happens there. So let's check it with AskWhiz. Right now I've asked AskWhiz about this. He says that the most common problem is the belt, that it may be broken. So he told me the disassembly steps to check if the belt is the problem. First of all, we have some bolts that we need a precision screwdriver. We just insert it in. Only one more. Perfect. So the top comes up right off. Yeah, we need to remove this to see better easily so we don't break it. Okay, and we have the open circuit, and exactly how AskWhiz said, here we have the broken belt. This is precisely why it did not work. Now we have to remove all the old belt, remove every impurity. As we can see, the mechanism works. If I manually grind the gears, you see everything moves perfectly in perfect motion. And if we go on the other side while we do this, we should see those two rotatory things move. We don't. Okay, yeah, there we go. As you can see, it is moving. The other one is not moving because we do not have a belt. It looks like we did it. So let's see if this actually works. Now we're going to put everything back at its place. Okay, so the Walkman is ready to go. We have installed the belt. Now let's test it.